Insert the ThinkpadPenPro into its slot. Place the cover onto the chassis and press down around the edges to lock the clips. Tighten the 8 capture screws to secure the cover in place. Insert the top edge of the keyboard under the bezel, then slide the keyboard down into place. Install 2 keyboard screws inside the system. Connect the keyboard cable to the system board. Place the PenCharger into its slot on the chassis. Install the screw to secure the PenCharger in place. Connect the PenCharger cable to the power card. Insert the PenCharger cable into the guides. Set the first speaker into place onto its posts in the chassis. Insert the speaker cable into the guides. Place the second speaker onto the posts in the chassis. Connect the speaker cable to the system board. Connect the PenCharger cable to the power card. Insert the PenCharger cable into the guides. Insert the wireless LAN card into the slot. Install the screw to secure the card in place. Connect the gray antenna cable to the main terminal. Connect the black antenna cable to the auxiliary terminal. Insert the M.2 solid-state drive into the socket. Install the screw to secure the drive into place. Place the CoinCellBattery into position and secure it with the adhesive backing. Connect the cable to the system board. Place the built-in battery into position using the screw holes for alignment. Install 3 screws. Connect the battery cable to the system board. Lift the system slightly and place the trackpad into position. Install 3 screws into the trackpad. Place the protective sheet onto the chassis and press it down. Connect the cable to the trackpad. Connect the trackpad cable to the system board. Place the power card into position on the chassis using the post and screw holes for alignment. Place the bracket onto the power card. Install 2 screws into the bracket. Connect the PenCharger cable to the power card. Connect the power cable to the system board and power card. Place the heatsink into position using the screw holes for alignment. Tighten the 4 heatsink screws in numerical order. Place the system board into position on the chassis, making sure to not trap cables underneath the board. Install 2 system board screws. Install the keyboard screw into the system board. Place the I/O bracket onto the system board using the posts and screw holes for alignment. Install 3 screws into the bracket. Connect the SpeakerAssembly cable and CameraSensorBoardCable to the system board. Connect the WorldFacingCamera cable and LCD cable to the system board. Connect the CoinCellBattery, PowerCard, keyboard, and trackpad cables to the system board. Insert the camera microphone module into its slot using the post for alignment. Align the posts and screw holes on the bottom of the system with the hinges and close it onto the LCD unit. Install 2 screws into each hinge. Connect the gray antenna cable to the main terminal on the wireless LAN card. Connect the black antenna cable to the auxiliary terminal on the wireless LAN card. Insert the LCD cable into the guides on the edge of the system. Connect the LCD cable and CameraSensorBoardCable to the system board. Place the I/O bracket onto the system board using the posts and screw holes for alignment. Install 3 screws into the bracket. Align the LCD strip cover with the LCD unit and press down the clips. Install 2 screws. Press down the screw covers in place over both screws. Place the LCD panel onto the LCD unit and slide it upwards to lock it in place. Install 2 screws. Place the LCD cable inside the left hinge and fold the hinge upwards. Secure the cable in place with the hinge rubber. Fold the left hinge downwards. Align the right hinge with the holes on the LCD unit. Install 1 screw in the top and 3 screws in the bottom to secure the hinge in place. Align the left hinge with the holes on the LCD unit. Install 1 screw in the top and 3 screws in the bottom to secure the hinge in place. Fold the right hinge upwards. Place the cables into the hinge and secure them in place with the hinge rubber. Fold the right hinge downwards. Align the camera with the post in the slot and press down to secure it with the adhesive backing. Press down the metallic tape. Connect the cable to the camera and install it into the guides. Connect the cable to the camera and sensor board. Align the LED board with the posts on the LCD unit and press it down. Insert the cable into the guides along the edges of the LCD unit. Place the gray wireless antenna into the slot and press down the metallic tape. Place the black wireless antenna into the slot and press down the metallic tape. Insert the gray antenna cable into the guides along the edge of the LCD unit. Insert the black antenna cable into the guides along the edge and bottom of the LCD unit.